Alright, welcome back everyone. I just got done fishing here at my local pond about 10 minutes from my house. Had a good day slash bad day. The bass were really hitting. I caught 4 and I had 3 break off. I was using a drop shot, Zoom Z drop. Color was green weenie. I don't have any more because they broke them off, and just from catching them, you know, they fly off and you don't get them back. I'm not sure what was going on with that. I don't know why I was breaking off like that. I've had it happen here and there, but not like I did today. I broke off 3 in a row. So what we caught, like I said, was on the green weenie Z drop. And also we caught one on this trout magnet sexy shad jerkbait. So that's what I caught my fish on today. I'm gonna head home, and I got some Beast Coast stuff I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the video too. Some new baits I got. Throw those in there real quick. Hope you guys enjoy. There he is. Ooh, nice little bass. There he is. Little fella. Trout magnet jerkbait. Sexy shad. Little guy. There it is, another one. Yeah. Oh, are you kidding me? There it is, another one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, nice one. Nice little fish there. Definitely upgraded. Man, he was just hooked there in the skin, right on the edge of the lip. Wow, these things are really biting good today. It's actually pretty chilly out, but hey, we're getting it done. Little fat belly there. Thank you, buddy. There it is. Oh. There we are. There we got another one. Oh yeah. Not a bad fish. The first one I didn't get on camera. The camera wasn't recording. Got him on the old drop shot again. There he is, little fella, little guy. is. Got another one. Drop shot's killing it. Oh yeah, nice one. Oh yeah. There we are. Right there. Nothing wrong with that. Pliers out. I'll tell you what, I'm having a blast today. There we are. Nice little bass. I got eat up by something. Alright, so here we are now with the Beast Coast baits that I got, that I was just talking about there in the beginning of the video. It is the Beast Coast Magic Flick Drop Shot in Wacky. This color here is Beast Coast Special. I got 4 different colors. So this is it here. You can see it's got like a little hologram, whatever you want to call it in there. It's like a blue, kind of give off a flash in the water. What's neat is it doesn't go all the way through, but it also has it here in the tail. I don't know if you can see that. See if we can get it in the camera. It's got like a blue flash too in the tail. So that's the Beast Coast Special, and I'll show you here in a minute the way that they say that you can rig them. So here is the Dream Shad. It's just a just more of like a white, like your solid white, and it's got that hologram in there again. Same thing back here in the tail. You can see the blue. See the blue there. Thought it was pretty neat that they put them in the tail and the head, which is where they're probably most likely, you know, gonna see it with the tail flopping and all. This here is the JL Candy Shad. It's got like a bunch of like little glitter, like silver, blue, pink glitter in it. It also has your hologram once again there in the head of it. You can see it there. Also back here in the tail, not sure how well that's showing up here, but the Bass Candy. This is kind of like a green pumpkin seed, as you can see. It's probably gonna be kind of hard to see it on the camera, but it does have like a hologram in it. It's like a green hologram. That looks pretty wild too. You can kind of see it there a little bit. I thought these were pretty cool. They're 3.5 inch. So what I also picked up was the VMC Wacky rig with the weed guard, and I also picked up the Mustad Ultra Points. I can tell you guys now, these Mustad Ultra Points are awesome. I used their Y-gap hooks, the Mustad Ultra Point Y-gap hooks. They're sharp, they're stout. These are really good hooks, so I'm really excited to try these out. These here have like a, as you can see, it's like flat on the bottom, so it sits more like this, where the other ones that I got here, the VMCs, they don't have that there on the bottom. So I mean, they'll still sit, you know, probably up like that. But I'm interested to see how these work out with that flat bottom. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit different presentation. Might get a few extra fish. So the way I'm going to try these here is with a ball head jig hook. the nose of them is kind of flat, so you might have to bite off a little bit. Let's go ahead and throw one in and see. Just run it down like this. I don't know, it doesn't look too bad. I might just leave it like that. I might wind up biting them off when I use them. But this tail, I mean, it's just kind of straight, just kind of comes straight out. It's not like a paddle tail or anything. So I don't know how well it's going to go through the water like that if you just reel it. My thing is, I'm probably going to toss it out when I use the ball head jig, and I'm just going to let it hit bottom and just bounce it up off the bottom. Is probably how I'll try these out. My first time with any kind of Beast Coast baits, but that's one way I'm going to rig it. And then another way they should have rig it, which if you go onto YouTube and you look up these baits, Beast Coast actually has a video on there, and you got to watch it, man. It's what really got me to buy them, to be honest with you. The way they rigged them, it just looks really wild the way it comes off the bottom when you wacky rig them. So pretty much all they really do is just showing you just wacky rigging it up here towards the nose, maybe like over here by the gill looked like in the video. All you do is just bring it up through like that, really, just like that, and they just show it, they're just bouncing it up off the bottom, and this thing just goes wild. It looks really cool. So I'm really excited to try these out. I think they're going to work really well here in a few weeks when the water starts to warm up. They might even work good now. I might have to try them next time I go out to the pond up the street from my house, since it seems like they're really starting to hit the drop shot up there like they did today. So those are the new baits that I got, and that I'm really waiting to try out.